Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have a goodie for you. Let me know in the comments box below if you love an Aldi deal. The thing about Aldi is you have to bring your own quarter so that you can access the cart. The beauty is you get your quarter back when you return the cart. But I don't know about you, I rarely have change on hand to go ahead and put my quarter in so that I can release that and get my quarter back. So I have a trick for you that's gonna save you a ton of time. Now when you wanna get your quarter back, you just go ahead, pop the cart in like so, make sure it's facing the right way, and then you get your quarter. But my friend, I got something even better for you. How many of you, let me know if you have a key that looks like this. You need to have a round key. Anything else will not work other than this. But if you have something like this on your key ring, you are in luck. All you have to do is pop your key ring in like so. You want to make sure it's pushed in all the way so that it can release the cart just like that. Heck, you don't even need to bring a quarter if you don't want to. You can just go ahead and use your key. Now make sure that you push it all the way in order to get your key back. Now there's a chance that you could get your key stuck in the cart, so user beware, use at your own risk, but I love this simple and easy hack. All right, click the video on screen now if you're looking for some clever ways to use candle wax in your shower, on your grout. It's gonna save you a ton of time. Give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the free weekly newsletter in that description box below, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.